So let's walk up to the Cascades and then we'll come back and do the falls. I was reading a blog post and it was saying there's one waterfall in Perth that runs all year round. I thought it was this one, but...
So I've been here for sessions and it's been completely dry.
Yeah, right.
And that's the main one, the big one.
Yeah. Yeah, I think this is the biggest one in Perth though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lesmurdie?
Yeah.
And then you've got 60-foot falls.
Yeah.
Hove or
Yeah.
Hovier or whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
I think some people call it Hoover.
John Forest.
John Forest, and Noble Falls.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much the local Perth ones.
Yeah.
So on to the full walk now?
Yeah.
Alright. It's only 320 metres. That's a little skip.
Well, it's only a skip to the above bit, not the down bit.
Yeah, that's okay. That's the fun. Fun is the challenge. You said, yeah.
I can't redo.
Yeah, you can. All you said was us. You know,
been the coldest
it
winter.
feels like this has been the coldest winter we've had in a long time.
Yes.
And go.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
This is the.
You're just repeating it.
Why don't you say it?
Okay. So you said it feels like this is the coldest winter we've had in a long time.
Yes. It was 15 years since the last ice.
Morning, how are you?
Good thing.
How are you?
Did you do that big one for yourself? Wow.
That's a good one.
Good
All right.
job.
You can hear my wife tittering away in the background there. And we're just walking. You're gonna go tits up too. We were just walking down here, and I put my foot. If you can see, where's my hand? There it is. I put my foot right there, and I sank up to my ankle. So there you go, covered in it. I've got a nice heavy boot now. Fortunately, it didn't fill with water, but it's nice and
Don't flick it at me.
heavy. It's nice and
my
heavy.
shirt.
And then Mel nearly went tits up too. So never mind. Good job. These are only cheap Rivers boots. So in the wash when we get home, or maybe a hose off with the garden hose first.
Just put your foot in the waterfall.
Yeah, maybe at the end. I haven't got any other shoes on me though. Gotta watch out for that. You got somewhere to be?
No.
Yeah, me either.
Oh, wow.
Mouse spider.
There you go.
Yeah, huge. Well, pretty big for WA.
Yeah.
Coming down the hill.
Is that one of the ones that we had at the front of our house?
Yep. So, if you can see, this is a mouse spider. See if I can. Needs to come back a bit further. You can see him. There he is.
Price is coming up, the water in the rocks.
He's probably got washed out of his burrow.
Mm.
That's all right.
You're
I'll just-
probably going to have to dunk your foot in the...
No, it'll probably, by the time we get back up, it'll be dryish. And I'll just bash it off and just take my shoes and socks off. It'll be fine. My foot's dry. It's still warm, so I'm all good.
Man, that was
Pretty good, eh?
pretty. Oh man. Waiting for your face to hit the bloody mud.
So good of you to find humour in my misfortune, love. We've made it down to the bottom car park, so we'll walk up to the falls and then come back to the bottom car park, and I suppose I'll go and get the car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stomp it up.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. I saw the sign. I seen it. Tell me that you love me.
Tell me that you love me. I love you.
Love you too. Do you mind taking my jacket?
Yeah.
And I'll see you back at the car in. Well, I'll see you.
When you put the lower Lesmurdie
Yeah.
on
Yeah.
Palm Terrace.
Yep. No worries. See you in a bit. I honestly don't know if this is the right way because the path split into two, but I've committed to this and it's probably the complete wrong way and it's like a fucking goat track, but I'm gonna hump it back up to the top of the hill, back to the car, and then drive down to collect Mel. Oh man, heart's pumping already. Fucking idiot. So, let me get through this bit. So that's, well, kind of over there where the falls are, and from just down there where the water is and those people. And I've got to go up there past that platform, up the next bit, and then to the car. The reason that we're doing it today, being Monday, is Saturday was my birthday, and all I wanted to do for my birthday was go on a hike and then go out for lunch. But really, it was the hike that I wanted to do. Lunch was just the reward for everybody else at the end. For me, it's the hiking, the challenge, the physical and mental challenge that I like. You know, get wet feet, get cold, get hot, get tired, get sweaty, get hungry. That's the bit that I like. Plus, take a look at this. Can't argue with views like that. And I think, like, my intention as well was to sort of vlog the day a bit, make a bit of a day of it. You know, vlog the morning, getting ready and getting in the car. Bit of the trip down there, because it was about 2 and a bit hours south of where we were leaving from. So from Mandurah to Margaret River. And then vlog the hike, you know, film the hike, do the hike, take photos of the waterfalls, because we were going to Waterfall Falls. And then with the culmination of the vlog being going to lunch at Cheeky Monkey and enjoying a couple of beers. And apparently it wasn't to be. The universe, for whatever reason, had other plans and decided to throw me curveball after curveball, because I need to be challenged more, apparently. And what ended up happening was, I think it's number 3 for that girl. Anyway, I'm going to try and keep my kids out of these videos as much as I can, because I don't want it to be that kind of channel. But where the challenge is presented, I'll talk about it. And anybody that lives with or knows somebody on the spectrum understands that kids with autism really struggle with social interactions and things like that. And that's no different for our eldest boy. He struggles a lot around birthdays, about it sort of not being about him. And so he was already off to a struggling start that morning, bit of attention on Dad. I tried to make a bit of a joke of it and gone, we're not going to call it a birthday, we're going to call it a king day. And Dad just wants to be treated like a king for a day. And I guess that wasn't the right thing. So a few challenges before we left. Car ride down was pretty challenging, just with tension in the car, I suppose. And then when we got there, there was not an enthusiastic buy-in from the ranks. We started on the hike. We got to the top of the first sort of bit of the hill. There's a bit of water, a bit of stepping in water and whatnot. A bit of whinging, a bit of carrying on. I've been really struggling to hold it all together up until this point. I've just been keeping my mouth shut, biting my lip, wanting to have a good day. And in the end, it's quick perimeter check, quick head check. In the end, I've gone, not too loudly, but loudly enough so they would have heard. So, fuck ya, you pack of cunts. I turned around, I walked off. So, this hike was Mel's suggestion as a make-up hike for that. And I really didn't have a great weekend. I really didn't enjoy it. But this has been great. Really needed it. Almost back at the car park now. It's coming up through the last bit of a gravelly sort of path. So much water about. It's really nice. Last time I did this hike back up, I'd done a 5k that morning, Adeline was probably 2 or 3 years old. I did the same thing. Left Mel with the boys, both at school today, at the bottom of the falls to go back and get her with the car. I carried our daughter on my shoulders. Oh, absolutely nearly ate shit. Absolutely humped it back up the top of the hill to get the car. Anyway. Right now. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.